Okay, so as I was saying before, I would like to start with why I'm working on this. Originally, CollectiveOne was conceived as a platform to develop open and distributed projects, or projects to which anyone could contribute. This was like 1 year and a half ago, and it started basically as using the token for a project to recognize contributions. Enabling a token would enable this what we call smooth membership. So you are gradually a member of something. You don't have to be in or out. We thought that was a powerful concept, and we then work on besides on the working on the token, we worked on the decision-making process, and our first reaction was to create an issue system and a voting system on that issues. Maybe wait on the number of tokens you had and that kind of stuff. This vision has changed in this time, basically because for the token system, we realized that the key aspect of it is which is the criteria to distribute the token to contributors. This is what it's called the transaction cost of having to define a price on contribution is quite high. And so we tried to came up with the help of people from Barcelona, and we came up with this process of peer review, in which you don't have to evaluate each other continuously, but if you do a task for some time, you do a peer review, which is everybody recognize the value of other people, and these evaluations are then combined. For the governance part, that's what is it's becoming the core of CollectiveOne now. Because for the governance part, as I was saying, we started with an issue tracking system with voting, but with time I realized that governance was a lot about communication, understanding what other people mean, uh, being able to share your ideas with other people, being able to see the ideas and the things that happen on the organization before you arrive, so that it become more open, so leaving entry points for other people. And so this needed like a knowledge storage, a flexible knowledge storage system that was like flexible enough to handle big amount of information, but at the same time being able to organize it and filter it so you can find what is important. And this is what is becoming the underscore protocol, which is a protocol to organize content and communications. And I will show you a little bit how it works now. So I'm in this tool. I'm showing you how I'm using this to take notes of this meeting, and this is like in a place in the way I organize the information. But what I will do is that, well, I will start again.